If you're undertaking work where you need to collect a deposit prior to starting, or you're doing a longer, larger job where you'd like to get paid in stages, then the Partial Invoicing add-on can help. This feature can be used in the online dashboard. First, activate Partial Invoicing in the add-on store. Then, in the Quotes and Invoicing tab of a job card, click the drop-down next to the Produce Invoice button for the option to produce a new partial invoice. In this window, you can prepare a partial invoice for selected items on the job by checking these boxes here. You can also add new items. Everything selected will be added to the new partial invoice and detracted from the original job. Enter a description to appear on the partial invoice. For deposits, this may be a simple reference to the deposit being collected, and for staged works, a description of which stage is being invoiced. Select an invoice date and choose an invoice template. Keep in mind that ServiceMate's default invoice templates can be adjusted to suit the business's requirements. To create a new invoice template, go to your document template settings, create a new invoice template, find a default template to use as a starting point, and click Use this template. Then click here to download it. Open the template in Microsoft Word and make minor changes to suit. Take care not to edit the special formatting or make any changes to these merge fields, which automatically pull information from the job card. Save your changes and in ServiceMate, click Upload Custom Invoice Template and attach your document. Now, when producing a partial invoice, you can select this custom template from the drop-down. Then, record where the payment has been received for the new partial invoice. Review everything, then click Confirm Invoice, and a new invoice will be generated for issue to the client. This process essentially splits the partial invoice off into a new, separate job. It has a completed job status and the same job number, but with the addition of an alphabetical suffix. From here, this can be treated much the same as any other job in ServiceMate. In the original job, a negative item is included in the billable items and a note added to the job diary, as well as a copy of the partial invoice.